Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by adding a helper column that flags truly empty rows. This avoids false deletions from partial blanks. In the first data row type equals counta, A2, Z2 equals 0 where A, Z covers the widest possible columns. Once entered, drag or double-click the fill handle so every row gets true for empty and false for any content. Make sure your ranges cover all columns with possible data. Because this formula is the single reliable detector, once your helper column shows true for empty rows, enable the sheet filter on the header row. Then filter that helper column to show only true values. This isolates every empty row across the full width. Next, select the visible row headers, click the first visible row number, hold Shift, click the last, or press Ctrl/CMD plus a while focused in the filtered range. That selection ensures you delete entire rows, not just visible cells, preserving data alignment. With the empty rows selected, right-click a row number and pick Delete Rows XY to remove them permanently. Google Sheets deletes whole rows even under a filter. Once done, clear the filter and delete the helper column to restore the original layout. If something goes wrong, make sure the sheet or ranges aren't protected, merged cells aren't preventing detection, and hidden rows aren't excluded from the filter. If protected, unprotect or ask the owner. Then repeat the process to ensure all empties are gone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.